Howdy everybody. Good morning. We just getting over here at the building. Today is Saturday, May the 2nd, 2020. And we went over to Georgia yesterday and picked up some stuff, so we're gonna go over that. I got some combined shipment stuff to show y'all too. So let's get in here and get busy, guys and gals. Oh my goodness, what did we do? So, yeah, so this is the stuff we picked up from Georgia, right here. And we'll go through that probably. We'll probably go through some of it today and some of it tomorrow. That kind of deal, I don't know. Mainly a bunch of junk, as my wife says.
Who knows?
She said I wasn't allowed to buy stuff online no more.
Unless I check.
Oh, there's some good money to be made in here. And this stuff was like dirt cheap, so I mean, this wasn't part of it. This is my bubble wraps. You can see that. Got that off of the Amazon. 700 feet for like $19 shipped. Can't beat that. Today what we're going to do is we cleaned up the death pile. Y'all can see right there. I moved most stuff up there. Still got some stuff under there. That way we can go through this stuff and put it up there. And not all this is eBay. I mean, because what they do is big lots. Like, and I put like one or two great items or good items in with a bunch of junky items and so forth. So we're going to go through this stuff, see what we're going to sell on eBay. Go through those books, see what we're going to sell on Amazon.
Or eBay.
Yeah, or eBay. And then we're going to, the stuff we're keeping, we're putting up there. The stuff we're not keeping, it may go to our house to have a yard sale. Or we may take it next door right here and donate it. Or it may go out there in a dumpster.
Depending on what it is.
But there's definitely some good stuff in here. So we're going to go through like these books, scan each one, see what they're going for on Amazon sales rank. And if they're decent, look them up on eBay too. Or may do them merchant fulfilled on Amazon. Or the ones that ain't so great, we make a lot together. So we're going to go through all those books. I really have no idea what's in here. I mean, no clue really. I just bought. That got broke. See that? It's not broke.
Actually, it wasn't broke. The glue heated up.
Yeah, these things are like this, and they're glued, and it's just come unglued. So I got me some super glue and some duct tape.
We're going with duct tape.
Well, we may.
Well, we bought super glue.
So that's what we're gonna do now. Go through all this stuff, and then I also doing the combined shipment. I'm gonna show you that for golf clubs. That's the only thing we're mailing out today. We had more sales than that, but I want to do the golf clubs today because it's a good example of how to combine shipment, how I like to do combine shipping. Because some people, they will say, you know, somebody messages you on eBay and says, hey, will you combine shipping? There's really two ways you can do it. First way is they can buy it, not pay for it, and then you invoice them. Okay, so then they pay, and you can adjust the shipping that way. But what I like to do is I say, hey, yes, I'll combine shipment, check out as normal, buy it, and then at the time I print the label, I will refund you the difference. And that's the way I'm gonna show you today. A good easy way to do it, and it benefits them because they can get multiple items for a cheaper shipping rate, and it benefits you because you get to sell multiple items.
Hey, anybody planning a trip to Egypt, I wouldn't recommend.
Woo-wee. So them people was rich.
$12,462.
So we won't be going to Egypt.
And that was 10 days.
Yep, we won't be going to Egypt. Nope. But some of this stuff's pretty awesome, like decor stuff. Like, look at this. Ain't that cute? Cotton and some poison ivy and some pine cones. Like that junk goes together.
It's cute together.
Cotton, it says cotton burlap tree. Cotton don't grow on no tree.
It grows in a field.
On a stalk. anyhow, we got that. That's nice.
It's a good quality item.
So yeah, we'll jump in this stuff and show you some more of it. We're gonna split this haul video up. You'll see some of it today, some of it tomorrow, maybe some of it Monday. I'd have no idea. Just not to overwhelm you. I guess if I'd shut up and just show you, we could get done with it. But so these are just both Nicholas VCG 5 and 7 iron, and these ended up selling for $27.92 plus the buyer paid shipping. The buyer paid $17.40 in shipping. He asked if I would combine the shipping. I said, yeah, of course, you know, just, and this is the way I do combined shipping, so I'm gonna show it to you. So I told him, I said, just go ahead and purchase both of them, check out as normal, and then when they ship, I'll refund you the difference. So we'll show you how I do that and get these things packed up. Alrighty, so I use these priority mail tubes to mail my golf clubs in. This is the bigger one. I don't know which one, medium mailing tube. But as you can see here, you see that it's too tall. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna cut me a cap off of it. So I'll cut it right down through here, and then we'll make a cap for that. So let me do that and I'll show you. Alrighty, so the first thing I do is I show them this right here. I wrap it in bubble wrap the head, and then put a little piece around this. Wrap it around a little bit. Okay, now I shove these things down in this tube, about like that right there. Okay, can't forget the thank you card. Thank you for shopping at Redneck Resale. We appreciate it. So we'll slide that down in there too. Now this cap we cut, you see this here? We just gonna slide it over all this junk jazz we got going on right here. Get down on there. Piece of junk broke off. See that? We're gonna, my little tab broke off right there. That's alright. Ain't nothing little tape can't fix. So we're just gonna push this down. That's close enough, Eric. And just fold this up. Put this tab in it. Okay, so now we got us a big enough tube to hold both of them. And the way I do these is a bit different. Most people just put a piece of tape here, here, and here. But what I do is I'll run the box here. About like that. Okay, and then I just push this down and fold it all the way down. That's our golf club. Now when I measure these, so what I'll do is I measure the length, you know, so we're at 36 plus 7, what is that, 43? So we're at 43, and this box has different sizes on it. See this right here? That's a 6 roughly, and then this side's roughly 5. See that? So I use the 43 by 5 by 6. So that's our dimensions for this. 43, 5, 6. Okay, and then the weight, get up there, get on up
well,
there.
You got the bent end.
Roughly 2 pounds 8 ounces. So then I'll write 2.8 on here, just so I know for my thing. Alright, so when you're in your eBay bulk shipping orders, see this here, where you print off your things, there'll be a tab right here that says combined orders by buyer. Just click that and it'll automatically group the two together. See this here? So I don't have to worry about, you know, two labels. They're both going on one label. So over here, you'll just simply type in your size of your box, the weight and everything like that, and then it'll calculate over here, so let me do that. Alrighty, so we got our dimensions plugged in there, as you can see, and it's gonna cost $7.98 to mail both of these golf clubs. The buyer, you can see, paid $17.40 for the golf club. So since he paid $17.40 and the label only cost $7.98, we're gonna refund him $9.42. So I'll show you how to do that. Okie dokie. So, okie dokie. Who says okie dokie anymore? So once you go to PayPal.com, go to your PayPal, click on the transaction where the person paid you, and so that's where I'm at now. So you can see he bought this golf club, $13.96, and this one for $13.96. He paid $17.40 in shipping. So that was his purchase total. So now you just click refund payment. So now that we're in the refund payment thing, it's going to pull this up and it says total refund amount right here. It says $45.32. We don't want to refund him the whole thing. So we're going to refund him $9.42. Okay, for the shipping overages. PayPal's refunding 27 cents in fees. I'm only refunding $9.15. See that right there? Okay, so now we're going to put, just in the notes, I usually put combined shipping overage. So combined shipping overage, $9.42, issue refund. So that's it. So everything's all set. He's going to get his shipping overage for $9.42. I made 2 sales off of it because I do combined shipping, so he got a pretty good deal on it, and so did I, so we're happy with that. So that's all you got to do. There is to it. Just print out the label, go calculate the difference up, go to PayPal, click on the transaction, enter the refund amount, and send it, and good to go. So as you can see here, she's got the Amazon app pulled up here. Just,
I already did these.
Them ain't worth nothing.
No.
And you can scan the cover like that. See how she did that? Just hold the thing up to the cover of the book, or you can scan the barcode.
There's not a barcode on the ones I have done so far.
But you can see that, and then it pulls them up. That book ain't worth jack. But if you can find one with a barcode like this one, you can just scan the barcode. Same principle. Scan. Yeah. All mediocre. That whole box of books right there I give $2 for. I mean, it's $2. I wasn't gonna leave it. Alright, so I'll run through some of this stuff real quick. This is just a little car. Just like a lawn ornament type deal. It's real rusty and rustic, but that thing is cool looking. I got these signs. This says roll on in, happy campers, always welcome. See, just a metal sign. That's pretty cool. I'm just going to kind of show you some highlights here. That's a big farm to fork platter. New. Got some cameras, some glassware, that kind of deal. Book bank. We got 3 of these vases here. Pottery vases. They're unmarked. Got that big old glass turtle, which is awesome. Got some rabbits here. They're like farmhouse rabbits. And they come with a basket and eggs, but I don't know where they're at right off.
They are
in one of these.
yeah.
Got these Southern Living at Home little bowls, and there's some plates too. Got a bunch of them. Got that thing right there.
That may be hard.
Got a salad spinner. The heck am I gonna do? But got a bunch of these little trinket boxes. Uh-oh.
Did you just break it?
No. Don't worry. Got these big old metal mermaids. Check that out. That thing's heavy. And got another one right there with some more trinket boxes. Some more rabbits and eggs. Like these kind of eggs. Rabbits don't lay eggs. I don't know why they put eggs with a rabbit. And there's the little baskets the eggs go in, which is cool. Got this old vacuum.
I think it's like Easter bunny.
Got a fiber optic Christmas village. And just a bunch of junk. Alrighty guys and gals, so I got the Minwax, the clear coat polyurethane, put on that, waiting on it to dry. And out of all those books right there, these right here is the only ones we gotta figure something out with, so them will get donated. And then we're gonna go through the rest of the day and just go through his stuff and move it up here. And tomorrow we'll probably do a haul video. And tomorrow we're probably also gonna do a live show, probably around 2 p.m. Central Time. So if y'all are available, make sure to come by, stop in, say hey. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today. We're gonna go through that stuff. We gotta knock out some listings. Yesterday I didn't get no listings up because we were gone most of the day. So we're gonna do that today. And we got this thing over here glued up. Y'all see that right there? We got that holding it. I gotta turn that down. Hold on. Got some muscadine bloodline. But we got this glued, and that's kind of putting weight on that. So, wait, it was down here. Where was it? Right there. Anyhow, probably gonna end up keeping that thing. Those things, she liked them anyway. So, we'll probably keep them. But if y'all enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And we're going to see you guys and gals tomorrow at 2 p.m. Central Time. And then shortly after that, we'll have a video haul release. So thanks guys and gals. We will see y'all tomorrow.